Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how you can install Grammarly for free in your laptop or PC. So without further ado, let's just start. So first of all, we have to open a browser. I opened my Google Chrome, and now here we have to write Grammarly, and then here you will get an option called Grammarly for your desktop. Just click on it. And then here you will get downloading Grammarly. It's free. Just click on it. And after that, here we can see the download is started over here. Now we have to wait for a couple of seconds to download it. After download Grammarly, you just have to click on 2 times over here. Minimize it. And then here you can see that Grammarly is loading. And now here you can see the Grammarly icon is coming at our main screen. Just click on it. After that, here this screen will appear in your home screen. And now you just have to sign in your Grammarly over here. Just continue to Grammarly. And now open Grammarly, proceed, skip, and here we get an option, two options. One is premium and one is free. We going to continue to Grammarly, it's free. By this, your Grammarly will run in your desktop for free. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.